They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, but with Zillow 3D Home, you can capture a whole lot more. It takes your listing from static to stellar. Oh, thank you. Helping buyers feel at home so they know when to get serious. And with interactive floor plans, they can easily see where they are in the home, on both the tour and floor plan. Oh, sweet. Go ahead and click on any room. This is awesome. Capture more attention and show your next clients what you can bring to the table. You and your listings stand out on the most visited real estate website. Oh yeah. With premium placement and search results, custom search filters, and dedicated emails to buyers. On average, listings with 3D home tours on Zillow got more saves and more views. Capture more, period. Great listing media isn't just for luxury homes. You can make it part of your winning game plan for every home and share it wherever you want. The best part is, we charge nothing to use Zillow 3D Home. Your only added cost is what you pay your photographer. Or you can capture it yourself with one of these, and we'll do the rest to build your 3D home tour and interactive floor plan. Ready to capture more? Go interactive.